Alright, here I'm doing a range test with and without using these homemade 3D printed extenders. And it's coming back in, trying a precision landing one more time also. And I will show you the video of how the extenders did. They did really well, and I'll put that video up as soon as it lands. And as usual, please like and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment. We'll see if it lands, if it shifts over. It might. So that precision landing is working pretty well. It's getting close. If it makes one more push over, and it is trying. There we go. Look at that. That's close. Alright, so again, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this, and let me know your experiences with the Fimi X8. Alright, thanks a lot.